Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the English class. I hope that you are doing your regular reading practice of the last chapter, which was Mohan likes reading. And you have learned some of the hard words that are mentioned there. Dear children, please make sure that you're reading regularly, as I will be asking you to read in the interaction. Along with that, that chapter does not have question and answer, as I've told you. It is just for our language development. Okay. Today we move to a new topic, but before we go to this topic, we have already done a little bit of it in the past. All right. Now, I would want you to quickly have a look at something that I will be demonstrating to you. All right. So, I have this book in my hand. As you can see, this is a copy that I have in my hand. Now, dear children, I have this pen which is also in my hand. Now, when I keep this pen on this book, where have I kept the pen? I have kept the pen on the book, which means on top of the book. When I keep the pen here, as you can see, what will we say? The pen is under or beneath the book. If I keep the pen here, which is by the copy side, we say that the pen is by the side of the book. Now, when certain objects tell us about the position of other things, that particular thing is called preposition. What is it called? Preposition, which means pre-telling you about the position. Now, I hope you have understood that how preposition works, right? And basically, it tells us about the position of an object. So what we are going to do now, we will quickly go ahead and first let's try to understand the concept by solving the worksheet also, because it is something that we have done from the beginning also. It won't be very difficult for us to understand. So what we are going to do, you have to quickly write your section E and write your name here. So my name is Neha. So I hope you are using cursive writing to write Neha Prasad. Okay, with the space. So I would want you to write similarly. Let me try to bring this up. Okay. So after the name, leave some space. Okay. And then you will write your full name in cursive handwriting. Okay. I gave you the example of preposition. It tells us about the exact position an object or a thing is in. So let's go ahead and try to see what other examples are there. Okay. All right. Question number 1. Choose the correct preposition for given pictures. Choose the correct preposition for given pictures. So the preposition is there in the box, in this clue box. We have to look at the picture and choose one of them as correct. The ball is dash the box. So the ball is at the side of or on. On always means upar, right? On means upar and in matlab under. Remember this much. On is upar. So is the ball on the box? No. The ball is at the side of the box. Now let's read the sentence. The ball is at the side of the box. Very good. Let's move down. The dog is on or in front of the door. The dog is on or in front of the door. As we can see, the dog is in front of the door. The dog is in front of the door, which means samne. In front means samne. The boy is under or behind the books. Under means niche, behind means piche. Okay. The boy is under. Is he under the books? No. He is behind the books. So please, what you're going to do, you can circle the word. You can use a crayon to circle it and using a highlighter to circle the word. Now let's go down. The pens are dash in or between the box. The pens are in or between the box. Where are the pens? They are in the box. The pens are in the box. Now let's read the sentences with the proper preposition as given. The ball is at the side of the box. Repeat after me. Next, the dog is in front of the door. The boy is behind the books. The pens are in the box. We move down. Okay. Now, write a suitable preposition by looking at the rabbit. So, rabbit's position. First one, the rabbit is dash the tree. Where is the rabbit? He is behind. Here you will write behind. So please write the spelling here. I will write it outside. behind, behind the tree. Okay. Then the rabbit is, where is he? In the hat. And the third one, the rabbit is in between. INBETWEEN. Between the trees. This is how we get to know the correct position of the preposition. Next one. Fill in the prepositions with the help of the given box. This is the clue box. The table is, let's read the preposition first. Behind, in, at the side of, between, on, in front of. So let's read it again. The table is dash the sofa. The table is in front of. The table is in front of the sofa. The flowers are dash the vase. Where are the flowers? On the vase. Is it on? In the vase. Okay. I beg your pardon. It is the flowers are in the vase. Here. The sofa is dash the lamp. The sofa is between. So we will write between. BETWEEN. Between the lamps. The window is dash the sofa. The window is behind. BEHIND. Behind the sofa. Now let's read it again. The table is in front of The sofa, yes. The flowers are in the vase, correct. Now, the sofa is between, the sofa is between the lamps, correct. And then the window is behind the sofa. So this is how we have to recognize the preposition, make the correct use of it, and be able to write it. Please complete this worksheet. I shall see you back in the next class. Bye-bye.